wonderful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my first official video on this channel, and I would like to introduce myself and introduce what you should expect in the channel. So firstly, you can call me Lady Spears, and I derived that from my brand's name, Spears Fashion Collections. I started the brand last year and work from home as a fashion designer. All right, so what you should expect from the channel. You should expect content creation on fashion. If you want to know how to sew, or you don't even have any idea of how to cut, how to sew, then you are most welcome. This is the best channel for you, because I'll be breaking things down as easy and as simple as possible. So the channel will be more of sewing tutorials, how I cut and how I sew. But nevertheless, if you wish to know me more, I have another channel in which I upload things about myself, lifestyle, faith, relationships, and lots more. Please guys, do well to subscribe, like, and share this video, as this is one of the push that I need to keep going. So guys, please, it's a new channel, and I seriously need your subscription to take me far, yeah, and to serve and encourage me to do better. You know, your subscription is one of the fuel I need to keep going, right? So please subscribe, like the video, and comment if you like to see my face furthermore. All right guys, so like I was saying, if you want to know how to sew, if you're a beginner or advanced, you want to learn how to sew more, just like you know that in fashion designing, or let me say in fashion industry, there is no island of knowledge. You can't say you know it all. You got to learn from other people that have better experience from you. You can also teach others. So on this channel, I'll be doing more of sewing tutorials. You want to learn how to sew, is it top, trousers, pants, corsetry, blazers. Trust me guys, I promise to keep up and be consistent if you also got me. I mean, got me. Things I like, I love fashion. I love fashion designing. I love the fact that I can make wears for myself and wear them, just like this one I'm putting on. Yeah, so I love it when I make wears for others and they look good in it. Trust me, to me it's like a fulfillment of purpose. Yeah, so I love fashion, I love God, I love smart work, not hard work. I believe in smart work. You might be working hard and not working smart. Should I come again? All right, so that's that. I love smart work and not hard work. I love having fun. I love talking about relationship. Yeah, I love talking about relationship, and to some extent, sometimes when I talk about relationship, and other people got to hear me, they are like, "Sis, are you married?" No, I'm not yet married, but I just love it. I love it because I believe in preparing ahead for the future. I love having fun. I love talking, but not necessarily talking too much. So that is that about the things I like. Oh, sorry, I love eating. I love eating, except if I'm fasting. That is when I can do away from food. So guys, that is that about me. That is that about the things I like. So when it comes to the things I hate, firstly, I hate independent people, and I believe solely that everybody should try to make an end for themselves, even though it might not be enough, but at least something you can defend for yourself. I hate people who don't take risks, because I believe so much that if you want to go far in life, you have to take a risk of starting something. But people who don't like to take risks, they just believe uh, things can be difficult, might not go well, and because of that, they choose to shy away from the things they ought to do. So I don't like such people. Also, to conclude, I would like to talk about the people I love in the fashion industry. I'll talk about two people that I love and they have also impacted my fashion journey positively. Firstly, I love Vicky James and I love her brand. I love her products, but I love her majorly because of the kind of trust and belief she have in herself. You know, if you had followed Vicky James, yeah, I follow her, I observe her. When I follow people, I don't follow them because of what other people just like saying. I follow them because I want to study their lifestyle. I want to study the things they are putting in place to achieve their goals. So when I studied Vicky James, so when I studied her, I observed that she's such a woman with high level of faith and she believes in herself, and those are two things I've been able to observe from her that has kept her going in the fashion industry. So kudos to her. I love her so much. And I also love Mrs. Shola Babatunde of OSC. Yeah, I love her so much. Shout out to her. I love her because during my stay in the fashion school, she has a fashion school in Lagos. So I love the fact that she did not just teach me fashion designing, she also exposed the business aspect of fashion designing to me. Yeah, and all my colleagues. So that is one thing I love her for. You know, you can trust me that there are two different ball games to know about a career and to know about the business part of the career. So I love her for that. So those are the two major people I love in the fashion industry. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I hope with this short video you have been able to get to know me, the people I like, things I like, and stuff like that. Please guys, I'm begging, please do well to subscribe, to like and click on the notification bell, because henceforth the next video you'll be getting are strictly sewing tutorials. I won't be doing any talking. We just get straight to the machine. We sew, we cut, and trust me, it's gonna be a great journey for both you and I. So I hope to see your comments. I want you to comment about the things you like about me, the similarities we have and the differences we have. I would like to get to know them also. So guys, that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for coming, and I'll see you in my next video. Inshallah, bye.